how to use DoorDash alcohol delivery. Using a DoorDash for alcohol delivery involves ordering from licensed merchant and completing a mandatory in-person ID scan upon delivery to verify the receipt is of legal age and a sober. First thing first, you want to make sure to open your DoorDash app, and you want to look for availability. That means alcohol is available in section selected area depending on a local law. Now browse the alcohol and tap on the DoorDash app for a liquor store. So you just want to go to the search bar, type in liquor, and you can type in that and look for the area that has it. Once you do this, you want to make sure to start purchasing or start ordering. And during the checkout, you will be required to upload a photo of your valid government issued ID for one-time check, and you must be physically present at the door to receive the order, as it cannot be left at the door. The dasher will scan the front of the ID and perform a physical check to ensure it matches the person receiving the order as well. And alcohol cannot be delivered to individual under the legal age or drinking age or who appears intoxicated. So that's how you're going to use DoorDash alcohol delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.